Hey guys, it's Truong here. I'm a co-founder of TechCloud TV. This video today is just an introduction on myself and understanding where I come from and my opinions in regards to tech. So yes, I've been in the industry for about 20 years. I understand technology has changed from then. I'll basically take you on the adventure of where I was and where I am now. Things I see, challenges and benefits from technology that's coming out today. In those 20 years, I did programming, networking, middleware. That's the main areas where I stayed at. Things in terms of tech that I really enjoyed growing up was video games. And outside of video games, playing Quake, StarCraft was basically some of my main games that I spent a lot of time with. Warcraft, and so on. In terms of technology, I have a really interest in crypto. I actually like the internet, that you can actually send value to someone else without anyone knowing about it. So yeah, and this channel, I basically am looking to form my views from a Generation Y perspective, and yeah, that's it. So hopefully I can educate and then help you guys just get through all the jargon that's out there for technology. Because at the end of the day, I think that it's really easy. It's just the information that you get might not be translated in a format where it's understandable. So I'm here to be your interpreter through tech. Take it easy.